right, so today we are working in, well, first we're going to work in the guest bathroom. So this is where we're at now. We are here. So we have the everything drawer organizers, and then we have those. I would do all 4 of those.
All 4 of the little ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or 2 of the big ones. It just depends on what goes underneath.
Well, the 2 big ones fit, and then there's like this space in between.
Okay, so we're in the bathroom, master bathroom, and we are working in this linen closet and the drawers. Already, you categorized some of this. You did good if you did.
She did most of it herself. I kind of pulled some stuff out.
Yeah.
Like there was a lot of this. This is all kind of first aid, and it was
Got
all
it.
in.
All right, so now we're done with the linen closet. All we need to do is add labels. So this is what it looks like so far, but remember, labels are coming, so it's gonna look so different. All right. So we got first aid here, we got towels and kind of like cotton stuff. And then we have all of her skincare and great stuff, and then towels down here. So it's all makes a lot of sense now. Everything has a place and it looks really nice. So these are the labels that we're thinking of adding, but I also want to add, I'm also thinking of adding these shelf labels as I did in my linen closet, because I feel like they kind of give it more of a softer vibe than having labels just kind of sit on every bin. But I'm going to see what the client thinks. But yeah, it'll literally look just like that. It'll just sit here and say whatever it is inside. So I'm going to ask her what she thinks, but this is it, and I'll show you guys the final tomorrow. I am looking really cute. I'm not. No, speak it. Yes, you are, girl. I have a lot of things to do tonight. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What am I talking about? I'm delusional. That's why. So we are done for the day. We are going back tomorrow. We're actually going to go back in the evening or afternoon. So I'm going to meet with Sarah at the Container Store tomorrow morning to finish off this project. It has been a long project, but I'm saying long, but really it's pretty quick. We're trying to finish this as fast as possible so she can have her baby in peace. So this is why we're like kind of doing what we're doing. I think it's good. I feel like 3 days, it's good. It's 3:30. I gotta make sure all the stuff that we need are in stock. And I'm gonna see if might I add order tonight so that we can pick it up tomorrow. I'm hoping everything's in stock because I really want to finish this tomorrow so that so we can be done and she can kind of enjoy the last moments of her pregnancy without people being at her house. Oh my God, this thing keeps scaring me every time this thing pops. Okay, Car, I need you to relax. Good afternoon and welcome to day 3 of this one client organizing session. So today I have about 5 more minutes and then I gotta leave. So let me kind of fill you guys in on what's going on. So the goal today is to finish her pantry and her kind of office closet. We're also going to add a bar cart with her workout like equipment so that she can kind of have access to it around the house. And we actually went on Pinterest and saw this idea. I was like, oh, this is really simple. But the goal, of course, like say in the future, is for her to have a designated space like somewhere in her home on the wall filled with her workout items. So, oh, that's my skin. So yeah, that's the goal. So we scheduled about 4 hours because she needs us to be there at 2 and then usually we leave at 6. So we have about 4 hours to accomplish all this. I will be meeting Sarah at the Container Store, and then we're gonna pick up some items and then go to Target that's around the corner. So I've already went to 2 Targets this morning. Actually, Tony helped me. He went to one in Sugarland. I think I mentioned that in today's clip earlier today after my workout. And then of course I went to another location. So I finally finished working on some Cricut labels for her linen closet. And then the labels that I'm going to use in her pantry are my normal black labels with chalk. Because yeah, I feel like when it comes to the pantry, there's no need to make like, I wouldn't say forever labels, but make non-changeable labels because things just change so often. So yeah, I don't think there's a point to really have non-changeable or unchangeable or I don't know, labels, to have labels that you cannot change in the pantry. So I went on ahead and I only like cut out some black chalk labels, and then we're just gonna write down whatever label, whatever item goes in the canisters or whatever. And then we're just gonna write out the label that it is whenever we're done putting everything in its designated, like, organizing product. So yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen today. I'll take you guys along. Of course, I'm gonna show you the after of the closets that we worked on, and then I'll also show you the pantry, and we're also going to be organizing her office closet. It's going to be pretty minimal, but I'll probably show you guys that if it's like worth the show. I know. So yeah, I am well fed. I am good. Today when we come back, or when I come back, I have my bridesmaids meeting at 7. So it's a Zoom meeting. So we're just gonna get online and kind of just talk everything out, talk about like where to get our dresses made and what's the goal and who's gonna wear what, and just kind of make sense of everything, because I feel like it's almost like, hey, this and this and this, so much information is being thrown at them, and I want everyone to be on the same page because our wedding, our traditional wedding, is in like 2 months. So yeah, we got to get the show on the road. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna use the restroom first because I do have to use the restroom, and then I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna also take an ice cream with me because I want to. So I'll see you guys in the car. TMI, cleanse is going well. So we're back here. We're working on the pantry. Sarah's working on bar cart, which is gonna be for her workout clothes. And we're gonna start the show, get the show on the road. There we go. All right, so this is where we're at so far. So down below are gonna be snacks and related. So we got snacks everywhere. And then here are gonna be all the canisters. So we're using the cereal canister from Target, and we have about 6 of those, and then we have others. So most likely this is gonna be pushed back or forward, and then the other things are either gonna be, the other canisters will be in the front or in the back. Still trying to figure that out, or maybe even some can be here. And then here is everything else. Of course, we'll have our Lazy Susans. We'll probably take these out. We'll have we have a 3-tier. Oh, and these are gonna sit and clear. Just thought about that. So I'm gonna evaluate, assess, and then come back to you guys when I have an idea on how this is gonna look. So BRB. Afternoon. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what time it is. I'm just here existing. Hello. This is the next day. It's Thursday. This is day 4 of the organizing session. We're working with the one client we've been working on since Monday. I don't know why that was so long. And then I'm also going to be picking up some organizing products, and also going into Crate and Barrel to pick up some beautiful marble bookcases for my Friday tomorrow client. So I have a whole day full of things to do, and I am exhausted. I realize that I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. Speak it. You're exhausted, Judi. I'm telling myself this so that I know to relax. But I am very exhausted. I feel stressed. I'm tired. And I'm still getting up every morning to work out. Why am I doing that to myself? I don't want to break my routine, which is why I keep getting up, but I am tired. I need to rest. Anyway, I'm on my way to the Container Store North Houston. So that's literally the opposite of where I live. Thankfully, I'm on the West Park Toll, where you pay money to go anywhere in Houston. And it's going to take me another 31 minutes. It's a total of 42 minutes to get there, which is fine. I actually spoke to one of the Container Store associates to finalize my order because there was a mishap, but we got it squared away. So I'm picking up all of my products there, which is great because I was going to go to the other Container Store, the Galleria location that I always go to, and now I don't have to go because they have everything, which is amazing. Oh, so happy about that. So I also went to Target this morning, which is, you can't see it, but I have some plastic totes. These are amazing totes. I love Target for their totes. Target has great totes. They do, and good quality. So anyway, and neutral, like they fit beautifully anywhere. So I went there this morning, picked these up, and I'm also going to be going to my client's house in the evening. So I have a full day. I worked on some labels this morning, so I got most of them done. I still have a few that I need to do on the Cricut, which I may end up stopping somewhere, but I don't know how realistic that is because I have a consultation at 1:15 in an hour. So, well, not in an hour. It's gonna take me 30 minutes, so in an hour and a half. I feel like I'm gonna make it, but once I finish that, which is gonna be 1:32, then I can actually go to Crate and Barrel, maybe, yeah, and get my stuff. Wait, am I exiting? I am. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. I need to woosah before I have a mental breakdown. So, I know it sounds super dramatic and extreme, but I am about to burn out. So, whew. I have all the products in my car. These are for my client today at 4:30, and then the stuff in the back in my trunk is for my client tomorrow. So everything is set. So yeah, everything is together. I just need to, I think once I finish this client today, I can actually relax just a little bit. Like I can actually feel and see the light at the end of the tunnel. And then I gotta get all of her receipts together. I gotta return all of her things. And then I can write that, I can create that invoice and then truly be done. Like it doesn't finish. It's not over until you write that invoice. So, and I want to do that within a few days, at least by Monday. Realistically, Monday, I'll be done. It'll be complete, it'll be closed. Bookends. And I think I'm gonna get this. Little candles, the white ones, candle holders, but I don't know. I need something rose gold. This is really beautiful. For tea lights. What a beautiful way to display tea lights. I want that.